Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
One of the main reasons how we could or factors how we could differentiate the different variants is because of the mutations in the genetic structure of the virus. Now, for the Delta variant, what makes it different from other variants that we've detected so far is that it has a couple more mutations also in a specific portion of its genome that encodes for what we call the spike protein. So the spike protein, it is the part of the virus that actually interacts with human cells. So ini siya ang parang kumbaga, kung if you look at it, siguro ang best analogy natin is yung daw Velcro bala. Nga, di ba ang Velcro may part siya na daw matuslok-tuslok nga ano. So daw amo na ang spike protein sa coronavirus. Kag kung depende sa composition ng spike protein na mas gatapik siya sa human cells. Now, for the Delta variant, there may na-document na mga mutations, additional mutations there is a spike protein, and what makes it more different also from the other variants that have been detected so far is that it is more transmissible. So, kumbaga, if we talk about, for example, the Alpha variant, which was first detected in the UK. So the Alpha variant is around 50% more transmissible than the original SARS-CoV-2 strain. And then, when we compare the Delta variant to the Alpha variant, ang Delta variant naman, mga around 50% more transmissible pagit kesa sa Alpha variant. So when we talk about the transmissibility, mas taas gid ya ang transmissibility, ang contagiousness of the Delta variant. That's why it is a major variant of concern nowadays. And that's why we see that it is becoming the more dominant variant, especially in new cases in other countries. Hopefully, hindi pa amo na ang sitwasyon sa Pilipinas and even sa atin diri sa Region 6 or sa Iloilo. But we will only know about that if we sustain our biosurveillance efforts to detect not only the Delta variant but also all the other variants of SARS-CoV-2 circulating in the Philippines.